So for download the Duik, go ahead and open your browser, and in address bar type rainboxprod.co. Then press enter. Now in their site, go ahead and click on tools in top menu and select After Effects. Good. Now here select Duik Bassel. In this page, scroll down and here click download. Very good. Again, scroll down, and here if you're using Mac OS, you should download this plugin, and if you're using Windows, you should click and download this version for Windows. Okay, after downloading, you can see it contains two files, Duik Bassel and ffmpeg.exe. First, double click on it and run this file. It's not showing you anything, just it's installing in background. And then here, copy Duik Bassel and then go to your Adobe After Effects directory. For example, in my computer, it C program files, Adobe After Effects, CC 2018 support files, and then here you should go to scripts, and then here a script UI panels. Open it and right click and paste it here, and after that you can see Duik Bassel here. Now when we open After Effects, at first go to Edit, Preferences, and in General. Make sure turn on this checkbox, allow scripts to write files and access network, and then press OK. Now in top menu here, go to Window, and then here we have Duik Bassel. Click on Duik Bassel. Now we can see that panel, that name is Duik Bassel, and here we have some information about Duik Bassel. Okay, click on Ignore, and here it's Help panel. Close it too. Okay, here is Duik Bassel panel. Here we have many options. Here I will teach you all these options. For now, here go to Setting and select these 3 lines horizontal and select Standard, and after that select Apply Changes. Again, ignore, close it. Okay, because I want to use all features in Duik Bassel, I change this to Standard.